to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b square, it is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. In this way, you have studied all these algebraic identities. Actually, identities are not different things. They are just different form of that expression. Very simple example I am putting. Suppose I say x cube. X cube can be written as x square into x, or x cube can be written as x into x into x. So we can write x cube is equal to x square into x. So this is an identity. Identities are not equations. Identities, or we can say identities, are true for every value of variable, because they are not different things. They are same form of the expression, right? So there is difference between equation and identities. Equations, suppose I say x is equal to 1 or x square is equal to 4. These are equations because they are true only for certain values of variable. Equations, in case of equations, you have to solve it. You solve equation. But in case of identities, because they are true for every value of variable, you have to prove their equality only. They are same thing. So this is difference between identities and equations. And if you have any doubt, you can again put equations. They are true for certain values of variable, while identities are true for every value of variable. For every value of variable, why they are true for every value of variable? Because they are not different. They are same form. They are same form. X to the power 4 can be written as x square into x square. So these are not two different things. In the same way, suppose I say a plus b square, it is equal to a plus b into a plus b. So it is an identity. Again, if we multiply them, then we can write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So identities, or we can say identities are equations which are true for every value of variable. And what are trigonometric identities? When in an identity trigonometric ratios are involved. अगर हमने trigonometric ratios में डाल दिए, trigonometric ratio means sin theta, tan theta, cot theta. If we involve in trigonometric ratios, then they are called trigonometric identities. Now the main part of this this topic is trigonometric identities. There are 3 identities, and very basic they are. Up to your MSc you will be learning these things. There are 3 identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Actually, the basic identity is only one, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So just see, all identities are in square form and learn them by heart. इसको 2-3-4 बार you write it and then learn it by heart. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What does it mean? It means if I say sin square 5 degree plus cos square 5 degree, its value will be 1. If I say sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree, its value will be 1. If the angles are same, then sin square of that angle plus cos square of that angle is equal to 1. So I will give you proof of these identities one by one. And all these 3 identities, you can prove these 3 identities by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is very important theorem, and if you see, it is I think 2600 years ago, a Greek mathematician Pythagoras proved its theorem, and it is very important theorem. So trigonometric identities. Now I will give you its proof in writing, and after 2 p.m. you will get the study material for today.